Okay, so this one is called Stadium Station, and this is where some of the train line is at. And we're just going to basically walk down the Skyway straight ahead. It goes all the way down to Avenida de Guimarães. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll also show you some of the skyline too at nighttime, or as the dusk comes. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, this is one of the stations right here. There's there's a little train thing in their schedule. I don't want to go in there. You have to do all this kind of stuff, you know, like the health stuff. But right now you can see that it says to go one direction you have to wait 10 minutes, and the other way you have to wait 23 minutes. Another one that says 8 minutes and 21 minutes. Oh, okay, so either way I guess 8 and 9 minutes, whichever way, and the next one if you miss it is 22 and 21. So that means that it's about 12 or 13 minutes per train. So I guess one just came a few minutes ago. And this right here is the stadium. So this is what this station is named after, the Stadium Station. So we're going to be leaving the Ocean Garden, station. Oh, look, there's water over that way, waterway. Never saw that before. We got a couple of things we can look at. So I think let's go to the stadium one first. So yeah, that's the stadium. There's a swimming pool right there. It says piscina in Portuguese, and in Chinese, swimming pool. This is the stadium, and this is more of the stadium. So this station is for the stadium itself. And there's only, and we're gonna be walking the Skyway all the way over there. That's all like Taipa proper, I guess you call it. And then over here you can see Jockey Club, and actually you can look down into the stadium a little bit right here as well. And I haven't really been able to do that before, so it's interesting. I think the horse races are every Friday, I think. Huh. Never really walked in there, but it looks like I could walk right into the stadium right over there. Just like I could do it right now. It looks like I don't see any fence or anything like that. It's kind of strange. I didn't expect that. That could be interesting to do sometime, now that I know it's there. Very interesting. Yeah, and I can see that looks like the little space for the where they do the announcing and things like that for the horse races, I think. I'm not sure, I think. Or the entrance or something like that. But yeah, there's a track right there. Very cool. And then over there is Zhuhai, China. So that's the Zhuhai, China skyline. This is the Taipa, Macau skyline. And what we're gonna do is a lot of different directions we could walk. Let's walk down this way momentarily, and then we're gonna kind of cut the other way in a second. So there's our Jockey Club, Macau Jockey Club. That's for horse racing. Then over here is the stadium, and we're just going to keep walking down the Skyway. Skyway kind of reminds me of being in Bangkok, minus all the people. In Bangkok you got tons of people and their Skyways. This one not so much, but actually the train line isn't really connected to many things yet. So there's 11 stations total, and I think only 3 of them are kind of available to the locals who live here. And I say that because of the 11, there's 3 of the 11 are devoted to international travel. Macau is kind of small, so one goes to the airport, one goes to the ferry terminal, and the other is kind of a bus to China thing. So there's 3 stations devoted to travel where you need your passport. So there's only 11 stations. This is one of the ones that's not that way. And then 3 are not that way. This one is the stadium. And if you live in Macau, there's not a lot of stuff going on in the stadium, so there's not many events really to bring you in that I'm aware of. Anyways, maybe somebody else knows more than I do, but I just don't know of events in Macau that's really going on. And then the next stop over is Ocean Gardens. And Ocean Gardens is so this train line, it kind of goes right that way, and it goes over to Ocean Gardens, which is over there. And that's the end of the station. Gee, those are some pretty cool. That might be a hotel right there. All those windows are like that. It's interesting. So okay, so there's a station for Ocean Gardens. There's a station for Stadium, which is the one that we just came out of. And then there's another one for Must University, Macau University of Science and Technology. So Ocean Gardens is an apartment. The one over there, it's like a series of apartments. So you could take the train from there and get down in one of these areas pretty quickly. Over here. Stadium. Stadium is actually pretty good because Stadium, actually there's another one too called Peacock. So that one over there is a Peacock. So that's another one where you could get out into the public. I guess Stadium you kind of have to walk down this giant skyway. So I don't know, I guess I didn't count that. So I guess there's actually 4. So Peacock Station is the next one over, which serves Taipa Village. And then this one kind of serves like Taipa downtown, I guess you'd call it. And then there's so that's 4, and then there's 3, so that's 7 total. And I believe there's 11 stations total, or is it 13? I can't remember, but all the other ones are all casinos. So the other ones go to Venetian Casino, all these different casinos. Kind of cool view. Goes to like East Asian games, things like that. So basically that one, kind of cool. Apartment buildings everywhere. Let's go take a look at this one. It's really cool, I like that. All those giant apartments. I wonder how much these apartments cost to rent. So interesting. Yeah, it's nice in this area. Okay, so anyways, the other ones all serve casinos and like East Asia Games, which is another stadium. So I guess there's 2 stadiums, East Asia Games, and then that one called Stadium. There's quite a few casino exits for that as well. Now we're kind of getting into more apartments over here. Wow, we got a nice rooftop. Whoever has this has a little rooftop access. Very cool. A little playground right there too. Wow. You never really know what's around until you wow. Oh, these ones also have like a rooftop access. This one right here, I wouldn't have guessed that would have that right there. So amazing. So yeah, that's the park right there. Keep on walking down. Okay, so that's the park from that side too, the stadium again. What's going on there? Okay, and you have yeah, look at all these rooftops. So all these people have rooftop access right here. It's amazing. They have that for their apartments. Wow, so cool. Okay, let's keep on going. And yeah, this is the Skyway, so it goes all the way down Avenida Guimarães. So we're just gonna keep on walking down it. And we'll kind of stop along the way a little bit too. Nice. Nice street scenes here, 7-Eleven. Yeah, I saw when the typhoon came, that sign was, all that signage was gone. A lot of stuff was gone on the, we had a huge typhoon not too long ago. More rooftop access right here. Wow, a little rooftop right here above that. And there's a restaurant right there too. People are hanging out in that restaurant. Yeah, really cool. So yeah, I've kind of filmed a little bit on the Skyway, up and down a little bit, but yeah, this is real nice. One of our streets. this one has all these kind of cool rooftops, right? And there's also little balconies all the way down. Nice designed buildings. Giant parking lot, parking garage area. Okay. So yeah, basically that's the Skyway goes all the way down, and then at the end, basically it kind of crosses the Taipa area. And what we're going to do next is we're going to end this video. I think I might bring it down first before we do. Looks like there's a lot of people going down that way. We'll close right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da boquinha.